You are my baby mother now.
Try to see your teeth.
Yo, I want one.
Oh, you mean it don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean it don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean it don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean it don't tell a friend about Yaadman, Etan?
Breathing, heartbeat, a Jamaican giving bun. These three things, what do they all have in common? These are three things that we can never stop doing. Oh, you mean people that don't know say Yaadman, Etan? And just like the three things that I mentioned previously, I want to talk to you guys about three things that Jamaicans can never stop doing. These three things are so integral to our entire existence that we would probably risk it all just to defend it. It's one of the things that I love about my people. One of the things that I love about Jamaicans particularly is the fact that we have to take serious things and turn them into a joke, because that is our coping mechanism. I've been on TikTok for the past while. You know, I took a YouTube break. You get me? And I've been on TikTok enjoying that break. And I've been joking about some serious stuff that some people have gotten mad about, but I don't care. So here's some TikTok videos showing about the serious things, stuff that I've joked about. I hate when girls ask you after a nut if you use a condom. I'm Jamaican, of course I didn't. I took it off. You are my baby mother now. So I was talking to this girl and she was like, thank God you're not Jamaican because all they do is cheat. Psst. Baby, hear me I say no. Who tell you say me not have a girlfriend and a wife already? Yo, my girl, you come in like French fry and onion ring. You just step on the side. So come ride my body before my wife come kill we. Alright. Master, I can't go back inside, please. You know what? You only vex because your wife said my sugar cane sweeter than yours. Jamaicans may come across as insensitive, and I apologize for my people, but me tell you the truth. It's just how we cope, alright? Number second, we for some reason believe that tea cures all, that tea can cure death. Doc.
Yes, Mr. Yaadman.
What is it?
So, Chad Lucci Vlogs is in a condition where he's not going to make it.
What do you mean, I'm not gonna make it, Mama?
I'm trying to tell you, sir, he's not going to.
No, let me look on the charts. Let me look on the charts. What the chart say? No, let me look on it. What it says?
So, basically, sir, the boo-boo that is in his nose and it's supposed to be going down, trickling down this tube, is going into his lungs. And he produces so much boo-boo that the core, there's just nothing else that we can really do for him. I believe in this time.
No, Mama, no. Yo, you sure you try everything?
Everything, sir. Everything in my power.
You give me Tylenol?
Yes.
Ganja, you give him ganja?
The lungs, sir. The issue with the lungs, he cannot take it in. The boo is in the lungs, sir.
You give him tea? Tea?
No. Tea is not a
tea.
It's not a pro. I've seen people try it.
Try to see your tea. You know the thing that really used to annoy me? The fact that I am Yaadman Etan and not Yaadman Ethan? Is the fact that Jamaicans cannot pronounce the letter H. Why do we do this to ourselves? Yo, I want one. How with this? Yo, listen up, man. You know them freakies up here, you know. Yeah. Who come tie me up? You better make sure it says, oh man, you know, please, man. Yo, please don't kill me, please don't kill me. Oh.
Hello, Mr. Ethan.
How are you?
Fret not about trivial matters.
What?
Let's play a game.
A game? We don't play a game with money, no you.
Silence! Now, I'm going to give you a list of words for you to pronounce.
What? Where?
If you pronounce them, you get to stay alive.
Stay alive?
Yes.
Brother, no. Brother, you can't do this. Me to get a tree. Me to get a tree in the English in a dog. You can't. Brother, me don't know. No, please, dog. No, please, brother.
First word.
I joke this. Subscribe.
Incorrect.
What? No, brother, no.
Next word.
How easy word that one? Certificate.
Incorrect.
What? But no, dog, no. No, brother, you can't.
Next.
We know it's a game show, this, you know. A fifth like that, man.
Incorrect.
What?
Next word.
Foreign.
Incorrect.
What? But no.
Next word.
Sachis.
Incorrect.
No. Brother.
No.
A sachis that, dog. No.
This last word. If you get it right, you'll be able to live. But get it incorrect and you die.
No, brother. Oh, my nose is a joke, man. Am I name that? Etan.
Brother, your name was just. Brother, your name, brother. I forgot that, brother.
No, please.
Brother, your name was just get one. I forgot that, brother.
But what?
I forgot that.
No. Big up on the damn self. I want to give a special shout out to my TikTok audience as well. Big up on the damn self. Alright? We're out. See you in the next video. And yeah, I'm fully, The YouTube break is over. I'm sorry about that. I'm back. The king is back!
Yeah. I'm not that again.
What? Yeah. Man, I'm not doing this again. We're good. Shit! I actually tied my shit up, dog.
Alright, that's it?
Yeah.